PoGoskill iOS app is a very strong Pokemongo spoofer. Now we can access to its latest version, which introduces lots of new features, including a brand new UI interface, one click to check all the field research nearby, automatically walk the official task route, and support for adjusting the number of Pokestops. If you haven't used PoGoskill before, then you can't miss it this time. All these features are really powerful. Next, I will go through how to use these features one by one. Before we start, remember to like and subscribe, it will really help me a lot. So let's go. First of all, we need to download the latest PoGoskill iOS app. I will put the download link in the description. If you already have the PoGoskill iOS app, then remember to update it before you start using it. Okay, now we open PoGoskill iOS app. You can see that the interface is very different from the previous one. At the bottom there are a lot of buttons. From left to right you'll see single spot move, multi-spot move, teleport mode, jump teleport mode, and joystick mode. On the right side is a collection of all the tools that we'll talk about later. On the left you can find coordinates and routes from your collection and history, which is really handy. Now let's look at how to use these tools on the right together. So the first one is to search for the nearby Pokemon and raids. This is an old feature, so I will just skip this. The second one is the new feature, which can search for nearby Pokestops and then automatically generate walking routes. And also we can customize and adjust the number of Pokestops in the route. The third tool is also a new feature that allows you to check all the field research nearby. Just click on it, and you will see lots of small icons on the map. Clicking on the icon will allow you to view the details of the field research, and clicking on Go will quickly teleport you to the research location. The fourth tool is also a new feature, capable of automatically walking official task route. It is particularly helpful for tasks like finding Zygarde cell. Clicking start, it will walk you from the starting point to the end point, saving you tons of time. So that's all for today. If you do love playing Pokemon Go, promise me you won't miss it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.